a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere right.
Good morning, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here again. So if you're new on here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada and you would definitely love it here. I do everything, vlog, lifestyle, motherhood, all of that sweet amazing things, cleaning and organizations and all of that. So you guys are welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video and you are the first to be on my channel. Please don't forget to leave your comment in the comment sections and like this video. And today, you guys, yesterday I started this vlog yesterday, but I did not finish it because yesterday was so chaotic and I don't even know, but my kids had their dentist appointment, so the four of them, I was just hopping from one room to the next, from one room to the other. I was just going around checking out on them and kind of like making sure that they're okay. But yeah, and then I also had an appointment by 4 p.m. and I had to just, when we finished, I had to come back, drop them back and then go for my own appointment. But then today I'm going for another appointment this morning. So this week, I did not think that this week would go like this, but I don't know what I was thinking. But I did not expect that my week is going to be this hectic. I've just been busy going all over the place. So yesterday I came back, I would have continued filming, but I was just so tired and it was just chaotic, honestly. Yesterday was just a hot mess and I just couldn't film anything or do anything. But I had to finish up the stew that I was supposed to make on Monday. I had to finish that up yesterday, being Wednesday, right? So I had to finish that up. I had to cook that and get that out of the way, and then I have a whole lot of laundry to do, but we're just going to ignore that for now and pretend like it's not there. But I'm going for my appointment this morning, and when I'm back I will definitely see you guys again, and hopefully I end this vlog today. Yeah, hopefully I end this particular vlog today. I don't know if I should put on my wig or just leave my hair like this. I recently cut my hair, so I don't know if I should put on, it's just too hot, honestly. I don't know if I should put on my wig or just leave my hair like this. But anyways, I still have some time because I happened to wake up earlier than what I was supposed to. So I'm going to just go ahead and fix my room so that when I get back I can kind of like rest. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Let me quickly fix this room. Okay, let's go.
Can't find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way.
to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shades turning brighter, I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter, time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're
Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that. Closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
So you guys, I'm done cleaning out my room. I need to be going out right now because I'll be late if I stay here any minute longer. So I need to leave now, but I'm glad I got to do this. I'm tired already, but I'm glad I got to do this. So I'll definitely be seeing you guys there. Let's go. Hey guys, so I am back and yeah. Hey baby, my kids are awake, so I'm trying to make breakfast real quick before it's late. Hey baby. Hey baby, what is the problem? So let me make breakfast real quick before they start getting all fussy. And now take it. All right. Let me make. Call Olivia for me.
Okay.
You both should go take a shower. That's what I want you all to do. You, Olivia, and Gia. Go take a shower. Tell Olivia I said to scrub very well. Hurry up. So I said to hurry up so you guys will come out for breakfast. So let me go ahead and make breakfast.
Olivia, mommy said
Yeah.
Smiling like that, I can never resist that. Ooh, smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, I felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in, I felt your breath. Then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So hey guys, I am back inside my room. I am done. I'm going to be ending this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little boring vlog of mine. But yeah, I'll be doing more vlogs soon. I'm done feeding them and everything, so they are good. They're doing their work with their grandpa, and I am going to be taking some time to rest, and after resting I'm going to just get up and edit this vlog and try to post it, honestly, because I haven't posted in a while. So I'm going to try to post that on post this. I'll make sure I get this video out at least by Saturday. So yeah, I'm going to try as much as I can. Today is Thursday and I have to work. I have a client tomorrow, so yeah, tomorrow is another busy day for me. I have to go to the doctor's appointment, and I have to also get to deal with my clients. So yeah, once I'm done with that, I'm going to make sure that I put this video out today, because I think today is the only time I have to actually try and edit this video. So I'm going to put it out today, and then tomorrow, yeah, you guys will get this vlog on Saturday. Yeah, and then keep getting constant videos as time goes on. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye. Make sure you subscribe if you have not done that already. Click on the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a new video. So let me just get some rest now and just rest my body, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I love this top, by the way. Yeah, I love it. Like, I love how it looks. I love the neckline and everything.
Mommy.
Yeah, I love how
Mommy.
showing a little skin. All right, bye.